Another big shot. It is a പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ മത്സരം ആരംഭിക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. മാച്ച് ഒഫീഷ്യൽസ് കളിയൊന്ന് സ്പീഡാക്കണമെന്ന് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. Six out of the mark, a big hit. That is such a coming around. Another big shot, and it is out of here. Nothing wrong with the delivery inside the second six of the over. Taha with the right start. Another big shot, and that's been played in the gap as well. That is the boundary. Yes, pick the balls. Again, that's up in the air, and it is straight on the ground for another maximum. This one is the... Again, that's been hit straight towards the field, and the catch is taken. First wicket goes down. Something of a relief for the bowler. Left-hander Anwar Abdullah with the ball in his hand. It's just 2 runs. Another wonderful off-cutter, brilliant execution from Anwar, taking the pace off. Beautiful delivery, quick command. Another beautiful delivery. Nicely played, it is a flat-batted hit. Again, he hit that shot really hard, and that has pierced the fielders. 2 of 3. Good shot. And he gets the boundary, yes. Again, that's been bowled decently by the bowler. Trying to go for it. Has been hit hard, and out of the boundary fence it goes. Straight up in the air, and it's the same result, maximum. Beautifully bowled. Gets a single off leg price. Very good over for the batting side. 17 already coming off it. Beautifully bowled. Again. This time he makes the right connection. That's the biggest of the lot. Hit hard. And that's been hit in the gap as well. It is the boundary. Straight. And that's beautifully fielded. Saves 3 runs for his side. Excellent football skills on display by the fielder. First ball starts with a nice delivery. Good shot, but an even better catch running towards his left there. Easy. Nicely bowled. There is a chance the non-striker's end, but the fielder, I think the bowler has missed it. It's a single of Bice. Full toss, and has placed that in the gap. 6 runs. It is another full toss. And it is once again, bowler misses it. Single of price, so 79 is how much Kannur Black Arrows have. First ball, it was a full toss but missed out. Another full toss, but this time he doesn't miss out. Gets the treatment. Once again, beautifully bowled. Once again, beautifully done. Nicely done, nicely bowled. Once again, that is good, really good from the bowler. Wonderful delivery. Beautifully done. Just earliest place that in the gap. One bounce over the ropes. Again, that's straight up in the air, fielder coming under it, and the catch is taken comfortably from the man at long off. Really good shot, and it slips through the hands of the fielder. It was hit like a tracer bullet, and he gets a boundary. Again, that's well done from the bowler. 2 overs done, A2Z business under 16. That is straight up in the air, and it's a simple catch. Six maximum. Beautifully bowled. Beautifully bowled, that's much better. Well bowled once again. Yet another good ball from the bowler. Swing and a miss, a good way to end the over. 16 coming off it. Nicely done. This time he dispatches that out. Nicely played. And he has picked the cat. Good shot. There is a flat hit. There it is out. That is a much better delivery. And it's also a top ball. First ball is started with a 6. Props are alive, it's not done yet. That's a wide. So would that be called a no ball? Yes, it is. A no ball and a free hit. It is a big hit. This game is not done yet. Says the batter Faisal. It's a very big shot and it is out of here for a maximum. That's a big pressure. A lot needed of 4 deliveries. Straight up in the air, and it is the same result. It is another maximum. 6 needed of 3. That's been given us and the ball to deliver. Oh, that is beautifully bowled. They're not ready to give up. That was completely unnecessary. That was not needed. 7-5 for the loss of 2 wickets now. Abhimanoharamaya shot, and that is a winning runs. A good shot and a good way to end the innings. What a shot that is from the batter. They started the game in a significant style, hitting a mighty maximum. And the black